Okay, we have a problem. As we tap the brakes to get back off the blacktop onto this dirt here, his brake locked up his rear. So we're gonna see if we can take the pressure off of it and get this thing going again. It's 7:45 in the morning and we are here in Hiawassee. They're about to have some golf cart racing here.
Oh yeah, we're getting ready.
This is where the golf cart races start?
I don't know today. I think that's towards the middle of the week that we had the golf.
Is that what it is?
Hey, you brothers have a good trip.
Okay, take care. We don't know why there's so many golf carts here. We figured there's some sort of race. We are gonna be riding, I don't remember how many miles today, fellas, but as many miles as it takes until we get from Hiawassee to Ellijay, Georgia. We'll go through Suches today. Should be a really nice ride. It's gonna be adventurous. We might even race some golf carts. Are you ready to experience adventure? Let's ride. It's like dark inside these woods, and oh, looks like we have a little creek to cross here. This is my favorite stop on the Smoky Mountain 500.
It's a little art gallery in the middle of
the
tomato store. Right? Oh, look at that.
That's fantastic. Do you think we could strap that to the back of the bike and take it home?
Hey, where's this?
What do you think, Tyler?
Awesome.
I mean, this incredible gallery in the middle of nowhere in this cool little roadside market. It's so random, but it's so awesome. It's my favorite spot to stop. Are you hungry for anything like peach bread? We could split this. I can't eat the whole loaf. What do you think? Do you want to split it? I'll eat half, you eat the other half.
What am I, a duck?
Yeah?
In that microwave for
All right, I'm going to get an
15
apple
seconds.
fritter, and then I'll take a cappuccino if you have any left.
No cappuccinos.
What?
Just coffee.
Y'all sold out of cappuccinos, huh?
Yeah. Few left, but try these. Give those a shot, they're good.
How long do those boil?
Cajuns I cook for 2 days.
What?
2 days.
You cook for 2 days? Wow. You have to try the Cajun
They
boiled peanuts. They're boiled peanuts, but they're Cajun
cook
flavored.
The regular ones.
Have you ever seen a rattlesnake, Tyler?
No. Not in person.
That
Man,
is incredible.
Fat. They're fat.
Yeah. Car. An actual car. Did you see that? I had to get on the brakes and then kind of like had to blip over that mud hole because I was right on top of it. You're gonna get hit, buddy. You're gonna get hit. You need to move off the road. Huh? I'm just trying to save your life. Have a nice day. I tried, man.
You did, you accomplished it.
Busy road. A lot of times when I see a snake on the road, if you've seen my other videos, you know, I try to stop and ask him politely to leave because he's gonna get run over. He's unharmed, he's uninjured, and he's off in the wilderness, living his happy life, and I feel like our job is done here. Let's go ride. Yeah, let's do it the proper way so you don't hurt yourself. You okay?
Yeah, it was rolling.
It was rolling on you?
I had it in gear, but obviously not. And it started rolling after I slid. I stepped off of it. Thank you very much, guys.
Of course, of course. It's quite fun to see all of this happening right now, so kind of constantly coming and going. And people sitting on the front porch, sitting in the lawn chairs or in the rocking chairs. What a cool place. This is my kind of place. I might just start paying rent on this couch right here and never leave. I would like to get a BLT sandwich.
White or wheat?
Wheat. And I'll take a cappuccino if you have any left.
Have no cappuccino.
Y'all sold out. When did y'all sell out? Early this morning?
We sold out. We never had it.
Hey, that'll be $5 for the pictures, you know.
Oh, I was going to give you 10.
You can pay me.
Okay.
He's my agent. He's my agent.
Cash only, or are we doing credit card?
It's up to him.
Okay.
Cash app or Zelle.
Okay. Yeah, I don't trust these curves. I'm really taking it easy through here. There's a lot of blind curves and a lot more traffic today. It's Sunday, so there's a lot more people on the road, and I can't trust that the other riders or drivers are going to be on their side of the road here. What happens is people get kind of lazy because they go, oh, I haven't seen anyone for miles or for hours, and they get lazy and start riding all over the place, and next thing you know, this is one of the more rocky parts of the trail. Right here it's a lot of jagged edges and just all sorts of kind of bigger rocks sticking up. Pretty rough. I like David's new kickstand. It's really old. This kickstand here has been here for, I don't know, hundreds of years. Okay, we have a problem. As we tap the brakes to get back off the blacktop onto this dirt here, his brake locked up his rear. So we're gonna see if we can take the pressure off of it and get this thing going again. What we think happened is a little rock got in there, and when he hit the brake, it bound. And I think it caught the edge of the rotor and it broke off part of the brake pad. I'm gonna say we're on the road in 20 minutes. That's my prediction, 20 minutes. The entire repair and the test ride and getting geared back up was less than 20 minutes? Less than 20 minutes. Wow, that was deep. That was sloppy. We left this spot just a few days ago, and 530 miles later, we're back. We're rolling into Ellijay, Georgia, and we have had a blast. That was awesome. I know these guys had a lot of fun. I had a blast. 530 miles. About half of it was dirt, maybe more than half was dirt. Don't you think it was a little more than half, right?
It felt like it.
However, about 90% of your time is spent on dirt. So I just couldn't ask for more. This is one of the best dual sport rides in the East. It's one of my favorite places to come to. We definitely will be coming back. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Please comment. I'd like to hear from you. I met some of you guys that are watching these. I met some of you out on the trail, so just want to say a shout out to you guys. And hope you're loving these videos. If so, please like, please subscribe. There's a lot more adventure coming.